Good day everyone and welcome to another video. Today's topic, I would like to unbox the Halloween boxes. So I spent the whole yesterday just finishing up contracts, and all of them came to a total of 22. So I decided, why not unbox them and see what we get. I'm gonna start with this one right here. Well, that's a new one. I never saw it before. It looks nice. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and add it right here, so you can see how much this all worth, except these two, of course. Come on, give us something new. Hunted Dead Little Body. Alright. Just put it over here. I think I'm gonna go random this time and choose this one instead. I already have them. The old Vermin case. This is the new Halloween case, I think. I'm not gonna unbox any one of them because I already unboxed it on Usuals, and I don't think I'll get another soon. So it's wise not to unbox anymore for now, and maybe wait. I'm gonna unbox this one. Hunted Halloween and Scream Fortress Warpaint. Another Warpaint case. So we already have two cases. I want to add these here, so we can see how much this is all worth. Alright, I'm gonna unbox this one right here. Monster Stompers. These are not new. I've already seen these before. I'm gonna unbox this one now. Yeah, I had this one before. I want to see if we can get more new Halloween cosmetics. Spooky shoes. These are not new. These are old. Blazing Bull. This one is not new. This one is an old TF2 cosmetic. Gonna get the case. Gonna leave the Halloween spellbook pages here, even though they don't worth anything. Ooh, that actually looks quite nice. We get another case as well. I'm gonna put the case right here, and I'm gonna put the head right here. Is this a Halloween item? How is this a Halloween item? I don't get it. How is this one Halloween item? It's just the facial hair. This one looks nice, but I don't think it's a new cosmetic. I saw this one before. Can opener. That actually looks nice. I wonder if it actually jiggles while you're moving with the heavy. Well, this one is a haunted version of that. I'm not a big fan of this one. I had this one the last year, Scream Fortress. I had one on the previous year of Scream Fortress. I had one of these. I think I traded it, not sure. I'm gonna put the case right here. I'm gonna unback this package right here. Pickled paws. This is part of the items I think from the Were demo, the werewolf costume, which I'm actually a fan of. So I think I'm gonna keep this one. Another spellbook page, which just put it here. And then I'm gonna use this one instead. Ooh, that actually looks awesome. And what's good about this one is you can actually paint it. And it'll take any color you put a paint on. But I think green is the best one for goop. Okay, so far so good. Let me just see what this one has. Oh, we got our first duplicate. We got the first duplicate. I think we got the full set, maybe? A full set? I don't know, I mean, this one and this one's kind of medic sets. But oh well. I'll just try it out then later. The Holy Hunter. Okay, now we have only two left. That's actually good. That actually looks awesome. So I think that's all of the Halloween cases. I think after I calculate them, I'll show you the total on screen. It's gonna appear on the screen in the video right now. But for now, I just wanna equip this one that I actually unboxed it yesterday. I think it was 2 days ago actually, not yesterday. So we're gonna see the first Halloween effects. I've actually never seen any one of them. Omnios Night. Well, let's give it a try. I'm actually gonna put it here. Oh, there it is, it's already here. Oh my god, that looks awesome. I want to actually get you guys some footage inside the game, so I'm gonna go ahead and close the video right now.
You have got to be kidding! You have got to be kidding!
And thrown into heaven. And thrown into heaven. Thanks, mate.
Wunderbar. Ah! Wunderbar.
Steady, steady. Now that is how it's done. Steady, steady. Now that is how it's done.